Welcome to Vedantikala Sattva Retreat Resort, Chikmagaluru, a sacred haven where nature whispers to the soul and serenity embraces the spirit. Honored with 3 global awards, including the 2024 APAC Award for Best Nature Resort, South Asia, we are humbled to share our sanctuary of peace, harmony and timeless tradition with you. While some visuals in this video are crafted to enhance storytelling and may not depict real characters or locations, the essence of Vedantikala is deeply authentic. A heartfelt journey into stillness, connection, and spiritual renewal. At Vedantikala, we invite you to experience the profound healing of Abhyanga, a cornerstone of Ayurvedic tradition. This ancient practice of warm oil massage harmonizes the body, mind, and spirit. Crafted uniquely for each guest, Abhyanga employs herbal oils chosen to balance your doshas, releasing toxins, improving circulation, and calming the nervous system. The gentle, rhythmic strokes of Abhyanga are designed to unlock your body's natural energy flow, fostering a deep sense of relaxation and renewal. At Vedantikala, this treatment is delivered by expert therapists in serene, nature-inspired surroundings, ensuring a holistic experience that nourishes you from within. We welcome you to embrace the time-honored wisdom of Ayurveda and rediscover your inner balance through the art of Abhyanga, available as part of our curated wellness programs. Step into a journey of rejuvenation, guided by nature, tradition, and the heartfelt care of Vedantikala.